Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. I wish to share some of my thoughts in these times of pandemic. As a responsible citizen, I wish you please watch this video till the end. We all know COVID-19 has taken most of our time and energy in the last 1.5 years. Lately, we are seeing the spread of this virus in a great pace, and the experts call it a second wave. Many people are suffering, and it is very painful to accept this state of affairs. Now it's time, friends, that we all unite together to curb the spread of this virus, which is purely in our hands. Government and healthcare workers are doing a great job and working in their own ways to help us. Let us all also join together to give them a helping hand. I wish to reiterate the same points which we have been hearing for the last 1.5 years every now and then. Wash our hands thoroughly, say for about 20 seconds, every time we come into contact with anything that comes from outside. Second point is wear a double mask. Earlier we have been told to wear a mask, but now it's time we wear a double mask to protect ourselves and others also. Then whenever we go out and come, let us have a bath and make ourselves free from this virus. We'll protect ourselves and also others who are with us. Keep sanitizers handy with you and use them whenever needed. Drink more fluids, eat fresh vegetables, eat fresh food, and also highly protein rich food that's going to give you greater immunity. Whenever we buy vegetables and fruits, let us see we wash it with water where you add some rock salt and turmeric. That's definitely going to help us. Most importantly, let's avoid being in crowd, and let's also maintain a social distancing clearly for about 6 to 8 feet whenever we are outside. And let us ensure that people around us are also following the same protocols. Let's educate our kids and our maids also and bring in an awareness and make them understand the after effects of this virus. Let them also understand the spread of this virus is too fast, and let them be careful, follow the protocols as advised by the government and the healthcare experts. Now, in order to protect ourselves and others, we need to break this chain of the spread of this virus. But how are we going to do this? Surely by following the protocols as advised by the government and our healthcare experts. And more so, definitely stay at home and go out only if need be. This is going to help us and help others also, and we can definitely stay safe and be safe. Also, I wish to share one more thought here. This lockdown has caused a lot of stress and anxieties within kids and adults too. Let us take this opportunity to handle the situation in a more positive way and engage ourselves with our families. Kids need to be kept happy. Let us engage them in indoor games. Parents have to spend more quality time with their kids. Kids need to get engaged in all household activities. This is going to make them more happy. There will be a greater involvement, and it's going to be a great stress buster. Surely, we are going to get over this phase soon. Wish you all a good health, be positive, stay safe, and be safe. Thank you, my dear friends.